Hi students, in this video we will discuss about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as a part of our series with respect to most important personalities who shaped the modern India. Before delving into his details and the important points with respect to prelims and mains and interview, let us discuss about some his quotes where you can quote in essay and in mains answers. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is one of the funniest and most important quotes. Work is worship, but laughter is life. Anyone who takes life more seriously must prepare himself for a miserable existence. Anyone who grieves joy and sorrows with equal facility can really get the best of life. He wants to say here, see, work, work hard, but enjoy the work and treat every situation in life in the same way, even which is a uh, phrase or a sloka from Mahabharata. Even Sri Krishna said that you should stay firm and in the same way, irrespective of the situations, whether they are good or bad, treat things equally. So, this is one of his quote, and another quote is, "My culture is agriculture." And another important quote is, "We worked hard to achieve our freedom, and we shall have to strive harder to justify it." One of the most famous and important quotes. So he proved it. Even he worked very hard to integrate India by integrating 565 princely states, and it is the most important slogan of him. And now let us get into the prelims important topics. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he was the first Home Minister and a Deputy Prime Minister. He was called as the Iron Man of India, and he is the visionary behind Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. What India is currently implementing is a program. You can comment on to which department or to which ministry does this program belong and who is implementing it. In order to commemorate and respect such a great honorable individual, we have built the Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue in the world and which was also added in the eight wonders of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. It is located on the Sadhu Bet Island on the Narmada River. Sadhu Bet Island, remember. And where is Narmada River located? It is located in between the Vindhya and the Satpura ranges. Vindhya is towards the northern part and Satpura is towards the southern part. And the next thing is committees headed. What are these committees? The committees which are part of the Constituent Assembly. Yeah. So while framing the Constitution. So when drafting committee chairman was B.R. Ambedkar, there were other committees which are part of the Constituent Assembly. And the most important committees which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel headed was Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights. If you see, even 1931 Karachi session also, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel focused on the fundamental rights. So even he being a advisory committee head, he was one of those visionaries who had a huge impact on the framing of fundamental rights in our constitution and minority and tribal and excluded areas committee and provincial constitution committee and uh, integrated Kheda Satyagraha. So, okay, in if you see the two satyagrahas and the freedom movements, as I mean two farmer protest movements. One is Kheda Satyagraha and Bartoli Satyagraha. Kheda Satyagraha was in 1918 and Bartoli Satyagraha was in 1928. So these two satyagrahas are of farmers' protests against tax. And one is a no revenue campaign, which is Bartoli Satyagraha. And Kheda Satyagraha means it was also a no revenue movement because there was a drought in 1917 and 16, because of which farmers were unable to pay the taxes. So it was like a no rent campaign. So these farmers' issues Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel had intelligently integrated these issues into the Indian freedom struggle, and which is like the British rules and administration policies were responsible for the plight of the peasants and the farmers. So he integrated these things very intelligently and very nicely. And because these are the root issues, and he know the issues at the ground, so that's why he was called as a people's leader. He knows the situation of India. He knows the pulse of the people's heart. And so during the Bardoli Satyagraha, women of Bardoli Satyagraha called him Sardar. They have given the title Sardar. And coming to the stuff, another important point, he is a visionary behind creation of the strong civil services in the post-independent India, which was also called as the father of modern all India services. If you see, modern India services were created by the Cornwallis in 1893. After that, it was Vallabhbhai Patel who created the modern all India services after post-independent India. And his vision is behind the Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-sufficient India. And we will discuss about the different other topics in the next video. Thank you so much.